Even though it can be challenging to choose which of the many great herbs to include in lists like this, only the plants with the highest safety records and those that are widely utilized in household settings are covered. Most of these herbs have a variety of applications and can be taken safely for a long time without experiencing any unfavorable side effects. Warnings are given when necessary. For more complete list of helpful plants or for more details on the herbs that have been included, speak with any herbal experts who are currently in existence. Herbalism is more than just head knowledge. Reading will inundate the mind with engrossing information about each plant. Don't forget to like, comment, hit the notification button, and subscribe to the channel as we work to create a healthier mindset through herbal remedies. Today we will be reviewing the top 5 herbs, in no particular order, known today to have wonderful effects on the body with virtually no side effects. Shall we begin? Our first herb that we are going to talk about today is none other than, drumroll please, Astragalus. Astragalus, which is also known as the young person's ginseng, is adaptogenic, tonifying, and helps rebuild the bone marrow reserve that renews the body's defenses. It also improves the deep immune system. The spleen and lungs can be strengthened particularly well by it. It is used to treat chronic imbalances since it is a good tonic plant. It is also advantageous for diabetics since it helps control how dietary carbohydrates are metabolized. For chronic illnesses, poor energy, and to boost and strengthen the immune system, Astragalus is best consumed as tea. Additionally, Astragalus capsules can be taken. You could also consume it straight up by adding a full root or two to a pot of soup and simmering it for many hours. It also tastes well when chewed like a licorice stick. Number 2. Burdock. This hardy wild plant is a blessing to herbalists and a curse to farmers. It is a herb that benefits the skin and is used both internally and topically to treat conditions including eczema, psoriasis, acne, and other imbalances of the skin. It is a superb liver tonic herb, and due to its tasty flavor, it is frequently used with other liver herbs that are less tasty. Teenagers with problematic skin may want to try mixing burdock tea with juice or other herbal teas. It has a nice flavor. It can also be used as skin cleanser for irritated and itchy skin. As a meal to ease digestion, it provides root decoction. They are grated, cooked, and sprinkled with toasted sesame seed oil. Fresh root is always excellent. The seeds are frequently included in skin ointments. Number 3. Calendula. This cheery tiny flower, also known as marigold or pot marigold, enlivens most gardens. It is a potent vulnerary, stimulating cell repair to heal the body, and it acts as an antibacterial to prevent infection. For bruises, burns, wounds, and skin ulcers, calendula is applied topically. Additionally, it is taken internally to treat fevers and digestive issues such as ulcers, cramps, indigestion, and diarrhea. It is an excellent cleaner, immune system booster, and lymph tonic. It is a topical component in cosmetics due to its advantages for calming and beautifying the skin. Calendula is most frequently used in salves for burns and irritated skin, but it can also be used as an infusion for digestive problems, fevers, and skin problems. It is typically brewed as a triple strength tea and applied as a rinse to the hair. As a lymph tonic, try a calendula tincture. Number 4. This is one we all know too well, red hot chili pepper. Cayenne has a devoted following that is nearly cult-like. Additionally, it deserves all the attention it receives. It is not only a fantastic culinary herb that is used in a broad variety of cuisines around the world, but is also a highly prized medicinal plant. It acts as a stimulant for the system, igniting the body's defense mechanisms. It has antibacterial qualities and works wonders to warm and stimulate circulation. One of the best cardiac tonics for raising pulse and strengthening heart muscles. Additionally, cayenne acts as a natural coagulant to stop bleeding. It stimulates the digestive system, functions as a carminative, and relieves congestion and constipation. As a catalyst or action herb, cayenne can be used sparingly in a variety of formulae, teas, capsules, tinctures, and food preparations. It only causes a brief and harmless burning sensation. Caution: cayenne is hot, even though it is completely safe. In a tincture composition, even a tiny amount of cayenne can be overwhelming. Please use sparingly and with extreme caution. After dealing with cayenne, always thoroughly wash your hands with soap and water, or vegetable oil or cream, to prevent getting it in your eyes. Dun, 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 dun. Last but not least, number 5. None other than my favorite, chamomile. This tiny plant is a wonder of healing. The deep blue essential oil, azoline, which is abundant in chamomile's flower tops and works as an efficient anti-inflammatory agent, helps to ease pain in joint conditions like bursitis and arthritis. Tea made from the blooms is actually calming for the nervous system. It is actually one of the greatest herbs for newborns as it serves as a general digestive aid. To relieve stress and anxiety, honey-sweetened tea can be sipped all day long. A few drops of chamomile tincture can relax newborns and, as mentioned before, help with digestion. The herb and its essential oil are frequently used in oils and salves for aching and achy joints. Chamomile also makes a fantastic massage oil for reducing stress and anxiety. Chamomile is typically used as bathwater for a calming and soothing wash, and is also found in many cosmetic formulae, since it does help with skin restoration. Wow, so many herbs, so little time. When it comes to living a herbalist mindset, it always starts with education. As we continue this journey, please make sure to share this video, like, and subscribe for new videos at least 4 times a week. Until next time, have a great day everybody, as we continue with our herbalist mindset.